So delicious. Look at how cool that is. Let's make Sharot, sweet sujuk. What do you call it? Before we start, save this recipe and make it yourself. You take a whole lot of walnuts, crack it open, and gently pull out a whole nut, like that. Or take a bag of already shelled ones, go through it and find the non-broken ones, like that. Take a needle with some thread on it and tie a knot at the bottom. Carefully poke a hole through the walnut and slide it to the bottom. And keep going. Whoop. Then I like to tie a paper clip on the top. It helps you hang it. Ta-da! In a pot, 2 cups grape juice, make sure it's 100%. Quarter cup sugar, pinch of nutmeg, pinch of cinnamon, pinch of allspice, and 3/4 of a cup of grape molasses. If you put a little oil in your measuring cup, wipe it around, it'll pour right out. No mess. See? Bring it to a simmer. In another bowl, 1/3 cup flour, 1/3 cup cornstarch, and about 1 cup of water. Whisk it together. This is our thickener. Once it's simmering, slowly whisk in your thickener. Put it back on the heat if it's not thick enough. Now take your walnuts and dip them into the mixture. You want it to coat all around. Then pull it out, continue with the rest. Woo-hoo. It's so cool. Whee! And let it hang dry for about 3 to 5 days in a cool, dry place. After 3 days, when they're dry to the touch, look at how cool they are. You want to snip the bottom and gently pull out the string. Give it a little slice. So delicious. Oh, yeah. Oh man, that's delicious. And it's not that hard to make. Want some?